Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dennis the National. So today I'm here to show you amazing views of Nairobi. Since I came to this city several years ago, so much has changed. The city has transformed, and most of this can be attributed to the NMS, that is the Nairobi Metropolitan Services. They introduced these pedestrian walkways and beautification of the city, and I can say so far they have done an amazing job. Nairobi used to look like a slum most parts of the city, and while many will say that downtown still looks bad, I still think we need to give credit where it's due. The NMS led by General Badi has done an amazing job in Nairobi, and I've been filming and documenting this progress since it started, and I can say that there is a big transformation and there's big change, and that is something that we can all appreciate. Just the ease of walking in the middle section of these roads without having to look at your back, whether you're going to be hit by a car or a passing motorbike or something like that, is something amazing and that we need to appreciate. And it also makes Nairobi look beautiful. So guys, I'm going to show you amazing videos and clips of Nairobi, so stick to the end. You'll see so much. Don't forget to like. When you like, I get more views from YouTube. Also subscribe if you like this kind of content. I've made a lot of videos about Nairobi, and I'm yet to make more. I've also made a lot of videos about Nairobi Expressway and all road projects happening around Nairobi and Kenya. So if you are the type of guy who likes this type of content, development, construction, and just seeing something transform from what it used to be to something better, then you're at the right channel. Be sure to subscribe. Otherwise, thank you guys for always supporting me. Watch till the end, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. I would like to say is that before NMS, Nairobi used to be very disorganized, and many people don't notice that. But if you can see, Nairobi currently looks very beautiful and organized and clean, and I appreciate the fact that they are doing this. is changing, man. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos.